Anti-Bullying Week in the UK. So our assembly today is all about bullying and how we can deal with it.
What is bullying? Bullying is intentional. That means it's not an accident. A bully hurts someone on purpose.
Bullying is repetitive. This means that the bully hurts someone over and over again. It isn't something that happens only once.
In general, bullying is when one person acts like they have more power than another and does whatever they can to hurt that person.
In 6th we have been thinking so hard about bullying that one of our classmates has gone to a very special edition of Who Wants to Be a Bullying Millionaire.
Welcome to this exciting anti-bullying week edition of the greatest show on TV. Let's introduce our contestant for today. She is only from St. Stephen's International School, Bangkok. Who Wants to Be a Bullying Millionaire, not the Masked Singer.
Oh, sorry, I just thought it would be more fun. Anyway, I'm Oli and I'm very excited to be here tonight. I hope I win lots of money.
Yeah, whatever. You know everybody's watching this show because of me. So let's get on with my show. I mean, the show. Question 1 for 100 pounds. If a person is being bullied, is it A, their own fault, B, their parents' fault, C, their friend's fault, or D, the bully's fault?
Well, Kunkan, that reminds me of something that happened at school last month.
What's the matter? It's not like you to cry.
It's Gemma. She has been picking on me since the start of the year. She keeps sending me horrible text messages and they are getting worse.
That's so mean. Why is she being like that?
I gave her my mobile number in the weekend so we were friends, but then she started picking on me for no reason. I feel like it's my fault for letting her have my number.
It's not your fault. It's ours. We should have been better friends and asked you earlier if everything was okay.
It's not your fault either. It's Gemma's. She's being a bully because she's sending the messages for no reason. So, my answer is D. It's the bully's fault. No one is to blame for the bully action except the bully themselves.
I don't think we need all that acting to answer this question. Anyway, final answer?
Yes, final answer.
And you are going to find out if you're correct after the break.
Your costume's trash.
You look really weird.
Are you tired of being bullied?
You need to try telling an adult. Make those bullies think twice.
Why? Why do you do this to me?
When you buy telling an adult, you also get talking to a friend for free.
Yay, yay, yay,
Beat those bullies.
Why you bullying me?
Now.
Welcome back to blah blah blah, you know what, the program with me. Before the break, our contestant won 100 pounds for answering that it is a bully's fault if someone is being bullied.
Hey, you didn't tell me I was right. I thought we were waiting for the break to finish.
Whatever, I was just trying to move things along quickly. Now, question 2 for 200 pounds. Being bullied makes people feel A. Scared and upset, B. Happy, C. Excited, or D. Confident.
Ooh, that reminds me of something that's happened. That reminds me of that incident I remember earlier.
Oh, not again!
So you see, Mr. Rob, Gemma has sent me these messages and they have been really hurtful. I haven't done anything to her except trying to be her friend.
She was very scared and upset. We felt bad because we couldn't do anything to help.
We told her that it wasn't her fault and that we had to tell an adult. I think I saw an advert that said telling a dog can help.
Have we done the right thing?
Of course you have. The best thing is to always tell an adult when you feel scared and upset. I'll talk to Gemma to get her side of the story.
So, my answer is A. When you are bullied, you feel scared and upset.
Final answer? Actually, I don't care. You're correct.
Gun, I think you're being a bit mean.
Nonsense. This is TV. If people don't like it, they can change the channels.
In class, we discussed the different type of bullying to understand what people mean when they say, I am being bullied. We also thought of definition of words we use to describe bullying.
A bully is someone who tries to hurt people by the way they act.
A victim is people who is bullied and feel hurt, scared, and upset by the action of a bully.
A bystander is a person who sees bullying taking place. Don't be a bystander. Be an upstander.
Physical bullying is when a bully kicks, hits, or damages someone or their belongings. This can be easy for the bystander to see, but it can be painful for the victim.
Verbal bullying is when a bully is name-calling, teasing, threatening, or being rude to another person. This can be very common and it's hard to deal with if an adult doesn't know.
Social bullying is when a bully didn't bully the victim to their face. For example, spreading nasty story about someone, gossiping about someone, or including people from games. This has to happen all the time. And to be bullying and is dealt with by a victim and bystander telling an adult.
Cyberbullying is when a bully is sending nasty emails, texts, or nasty phone calls to the victim. This is becoming more common nowadays. Victims should record the messages to prove what has been happening.
All these types of bullying are very serious and can cause lots of pain and hurt to the people involved. I think we'd better see how Only is getting on with Kun Gun on Who Wants to Be a Bully Millionaire.
Thank you for tuning back into the show. We know you've been gone, so since all of you have been gone, it's Marty Pants here has managed to get to the £500,000 question. Enough of that. Question 14 for £500,000. What can an adult do to help stop bullying? A. Shout at the bully until they promise to stop. B. Phone the police because they know how to deal with the problem. C. Tell the victim off that they should not waste the teacher's time. Or D. Talk to the bully about what they are being so mean and what is their problem.
Wow, that's a hard question. I think I need to go back to my flashback.
Really? We haven't got time for all this nonsense.
Now, Gemma, I have been told that you have been sending some very nasty text message to someone at school. Is that right?
No way, that's such a lie. I swear I haven't done anything like that.
Are you sure? I have seen this message. The person saved me so the adult could see what has been happening. Can you tell me why you sent them?
She's lying. I didn't send them. She's just making it up to get me in trouble.
Gemma, I have talked to other children who tell me that you have been talked to your friend about this message. Tell me the truth or this could be worse.
Well, it's just that she got a very nice phone and it's the one I really want. I didn't mean to send them.
Gemma, that is a very nasty thing to do. I think you should apologize and think how hurtful those things were you saying. And I also think we need to talk to your parents to help you understand why we should not send those messages.
So, my answer is D. A teacher can talk to the bully to find out why they have been so mean and help them understand how hurtful they have been.
Eh? Oh, sorry, I wasn't listening. I was too busy thinking about going home instead of listening to stupid stories about bullying.
Stop being so mean! Right, you have been a bully all through the show. I think you need to answer the final question.
What?
For £1,000,000, what has been the theme for this assembly? A. Bullying is not okay. B. Bullying is not okay. C. Bullying is not okay. Or D. Bullying is not okay.
Can I phone a friend?
No! Have you even got any?
50-50?
No!
Ask the audience.
Oh, alright then. Everyone, what's the answer? Correct! You see, Gun, when people speak out, things get done and people realize how they have been acting.
Yes, of course, I'm sorry. Well done, that's the £1,000,000 question.
Remember, the best thing to do if you feel like you're being bullied is to talk to someone. Even if you don't think it's bullying, you can tell someone to make you feel better. Thank you for watching our assembly. And remember,